Okay, this is Lab 12 Problem 2. We are given a vertical velocity of 49 meters per second. Gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared downward. Our fundamental formula is given here as y equals y sub 0 plus v sub 0 t times t minus gt squared over 2. Our first point, we want to calculate and let y go, the object go up to its maximum height and come back down and hit the ground. So in that case, both y and y0 are 0, and we can solve for the maximum, we'll call it t max, the maximum amount of time that it takes to go up and return to the ground. We'll call that t max, okay? And that's going to equal 2 times v0 slash g. If we run this, okay, we can take a look. That's about 10 seconds for it to go up and come back down. Okay, we need to create a timeline. T equals ln from 0 to t max. And let's give 100 points for this particular case. And y can be calculated from the formula above. Y sub 0 is initially at 0, so it's just v0 times t minus 4.905, that's g divided by 2, times t dot squared. Okay, and then we can plot those t versus y. And let's check and make sure we didn't make any mistakes here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I would like to put a symbol in here rather than, like, so it's like a ball. So let me use a red O, and I want the marker size to be a little bit larger than normal. I've got too many parentheses there. Let's try that and take a look at that plot. Okay. That looks pretty good. Let me move this out a little bit so I can grab it as I run. Okay, so that's pretty good. I have a plot that looks reasonable. It runs that 10 seconds. I just need to add in the boilerplate parts of this, which I do right here. Run it again. And I now have a grid. I have my axis labeled with the appropriate dimensions, seconds, along the bottom, meters here, and then a nice title up here. And that's a pretty good plot, and that's the end of problem number 2 from Lab 12. Okay, I'm going to turn this into a PDF. I'm going to save it. I'm going to do a screenshot of it. Okay, got it. I'm going to save that as a PDF. Okay, and I'm going to combine the two from the previous. So what I did is I opened up problem 1, which I did earlier, Lab 12 Problem 1, and I'm going to go and grab the file that I just made, okay, and saved, problem 2, and I'm going to stick it in here, okay, get that out of the way. And we look at that, you can see it's turned the wrong way, so I definitely want to turn it the right way so poor old Dr. Drew can see this. And now I have a PDF that has problem 1 and problem 2 in it that I can submit. Eventually I'll have all the problems in there, but this is how I'm doing it.